amigos, bienvenidos a esta nueva clase de Speak Better Spanish. Today we're going to be learning a new expression which is darse cuenta de. This is a super helpful expression to know in Spanish and it actually comes up a lot. And darse cuenta de means to realize. So here's an example. ¿No te das cuenta de que estás malcriando a tus hijos? Don't you realize you're spoiling your children? Could also be used to mean to notice. En ese momento me di cuenta que el hombre llevaba una pistola en el bolsillo. In that moment, I noticed the man had a gun in his pocket. This is not an example from my real life, everyone. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And yeah, we're just going to conjugate darse cuenta de in the normal dar conjugation. So you can look that up and see how to use dar. But in the present tense, it's just going to be doy, das, da, damos, dais, dan. And then the reflexive se will need to come before our verb. So if you're not sure how to do that, you can look up how to use reflexive verbs in Spanish, and then will be followed by cuenta de. And it's as simple as that. So now you have a new expression in your pocket. Darse cuenta de, to realize. Thanks guys. Drop a comment below in the comments section using darse cuenta de. I would love to see what you guys come up with. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao! Hola amigos! Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and turn on that notifications bell so you'll always stay in the loop when I share a new video. And if you have any questions or comments on this video, drop them below. If you're interested in working with me one-on-one or in a group setting with personalized online classes, you can learn more about that at SpeakBetterSpanish.com. Ciao!